In this problem, we are again testing a hypothesis about a mean, and specifically we want to test the claim of a cereal lobbyist that the mean sugar content for all cereals is less than 0.3 grams. We have 16 data values that are listed, and the first thing that we're going to do is enter that data into our list. So I click on Stat, choose number 1 for edit, and I've already gone in and entered the data into the list. So that task is already done. Now we're going to conduct our hypothesis test. I click on Stat again, left arrow for tests, and I choose number 2, which is t-test. The first thing I need to worry about is the input. Now it's data rather than stats because we had a list of data. So I click the left arrow and enter so that now we have data there. Mu0 is the value from the null hypothesis, which is 0.3 for this problem. My data is in list 1. If it was in another list, then I would just change this to whatever list it was that I was using. Frequency is 1. I never want to change this. Sometimes people accidentally press the number 1 there, and because the alpha lock automatically comes on here, you get the letter Y. So in order to fix that, I'm going to make sure that I'm over that Y. Alpha lock is on, so I click second and alpha to turn that off. Nope, that didn't work. How about just clicking alpha? Okay, so just click alpha, don't press second, and press the number 1. And now we're back to frequency equals 1. Okay, now mu is less than mu0. We're doing a left tail test here, and I press enter. And now we just have to go to draw. My goodness. Okay, so our test statistic is negative 1192, or negative 0.12. And our p-value is 0.4533. So that tells me that we want to fail to reject the null hypothesis, and that concludes our test.